15 business days? This ain't even, no. Wait, no. I think what my problem that I'm not understanding is all of this shit was not told to me before I joined this. Before I signed up for death row, this was not a part of the agreement. Is this buying products from other people for us? They told me originally that these were from China. What is good? How is everyone doing today? So we're gonna be doing a little something new. I don't usually go and do step-by-step tutorials, but I got a few interesting DMs yesterday, and I'm going to be actually creating a Shopify store and using AutoDS. So this is the platform that people are using for drop shipping. And I've made plenty of claims telling you guys that drop shipping was a scam, especially doing it this way. Now, I will also be showing, hopefully, if I get the chance, the option that you could use to actually drop ship and make money, right? Drop shipping is not a scam in essence when it comes to the idea of it, but it is a scam when it comes to what people are selling you. And that is my claim. We're gonna actually go through my claim. We're gonna actually do step by step. I personally don't know anything about AutoDS other than what I've heard and what I have read, right? I've heard from some people I'm wrong. I've heard from some people that I'm right. I don't want to have this conflict of interest, nor do I want to not know. So I want to do it with you guys. I created a Shopify store. What I want to first do, we're going to use Shopify, but I've also went over to apps and I installed this AutoDS dropshipping extension, right? So finding winning dropshipping products, streamline hours of manual research into seconds by getting access to winning dropshipping products on a silver platter. My problem would be, well, if I'm doing this, then isn't my competition doing it as well? That's like my main problem. Winning products at your fingertips, instantly compare 8 million winning products from global suppliers. 8 million, 8 million, not a million, not 500K, 800 million, okay? All right, cool. So it's saying Marketplace, AutoDS Marketplace. Secure your next lucrative opportunity within our database with over 800 million winning products in just one click. I just can't get over that one. Handpicking products, skipping tedious product research by choosing from a collection of products that our team has handpicked for you. So is your team handpicking for me personally based on my behavior, or is it everybody? Now, I want to make this clear too. While we're actually discussing and going over this, I am a wholesaler myself. I'm somebody that has curated wholesale deals, closed deals with people overseas, also people that are in the United States. I'm somebody that has owned phone stores. I've needed products, sourced products, got products from Alibaba, AliExpress, places like that. So I'm pretty familiar with product reselling, okay? And I've never used a tool like this. Now, ad spy tools. Gain hidden insight into your competitors' ad strategies. Analyze their top performing creatives and copy. Okay, so basically this is like how Facebook has where you can look at your competition's ads and learn trending products, find trending products instantly. Okay, we get all of that. Product sourcing, source safely from China by shipping your products through. Okay, so this is, I guess, the win, right? Is that I don't ever have to see the product. The product just gets to my customer. Okay. All right. And then it got like these little sample products that I personally don't understand. Like right now I see a dancing crab, right? But if I go to Google and I type in dancing crab, right? Dancing crab, okay? It's right here. It says $16.99. But right here, it says selling price $32.99. Do y'all are y'all understanding what I'm saying? Like, we have to start doing our research instead of just believing what platforms are saying, because me, as a businessman, before I go and invest in anything, I'm gonna do my research. And like I've never looked up the dancing crab. Don't even know what it is. A simple search shows that it's $16.99. Now, if I go back to a Google thing and I say profit margin calculator, right? So $8.51, $32. So that would be a 73.4 profit margin. That's a high ass profit margin. Let's talk about Amazon. Yeah, so 49.9. So $17, you make $8.49. So it costs you, you make a little bit more than double. You make, well, cents. I can't really say more than double. You're technically making double. We're not going to include the cents because we're not going to include shipping. And shipping, probably, if you're making, let's get the calculator. If you're making, and again, guys, these are all things I would look at before I brought this software or this extension. $8.49 to ship a product. It usually costs around $5.50. You don't believe me? Go on eBay right now and check it out. $2.96 is what I would make in profit. This is why drop shippers, in my opinion, fail, but we're gonna see. All right, so let's just see, we already did our research, and our research shows they're full of right? So product importer, we can import 200 products, 500 or 1,000. Just starting out on Shopify, I doubt I wanna do 1,000 or even 500, right? A small store is always what you wanna start out with, especially when starting new. Now, price and stock monitor, what is that, okay? I don't even know what that means. So stay up to date automatically with prices and stock changes from your suppliers. Well, why wouldn't that come standard? So that would bother me because I do need to know if a product is out of stock, which means I guess I would have to go with the 30, right? Product researching tool. So I'm able to research a draft manager, was that view and edit, order manager, view and edit your store's orders all in one place. Okay, cool. So everything comes cool. Okay, 24/7 support. I like that. Full business dashboard, depending on how it looks. Cool. Now AutoDS Academy, countless free expert tutorials and courses. Okay. As a content creator, but also as somebody that has done this for a while, I'm curious. Let's just look this up. So why would I actually care that you guys are giving me tutorials when I can get them here for free? Interesting. Okay. Now let's look and let's find some product, right? If I was a reseller, and I'm being real, right? If I was a reseller, the type of product that I'll be looking to sell will be a product that everybody needs or everybody wants in some way. So what I would do is, people love babies, people love pets, people love things that make their lives easier, right? So let's start with, like, since I see this dog bed and this thing look tough, I'm gonna look at this. Now I'm curious on what it means by when it says like Amazon and stuff. All right, let's see what this thing look like, man. All right, so put all the pictures there. It put this, everything straight. That's smooth, man. Why are you putting AliExpress's description in my description? Now, let me explain. So all the customer has to do is they have to say, oh, okay, they have this dog seat cover thingy. All they gotta do is go to Google, type this in, and then they find it on AliExpress. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it because, let me explain. Look at me and say, why the extra? Well, here's why. Let's go back. And I wanna see if I can compete, okay? I wanna see. I can't compete with Temu. I can't compete with AliExpress. I can't compete with Walmart. I can compete with Shein because they're doing the same damn thing. I cannot compete with eBay. Wait, no, I can compete with eBay. I can compete with them. Wait, no, I can't. Wait, how much is it? $32. I can't compete with nobody. Oh, look at this guy. This guy is doing the same thing we doing. What's up, man? We brothers. He's just drop shipping on eBay. This guy is the drop shipping king, I bet you. He making pennies on the dollar every time. Hold on. I got a little hunch. I knew it. $18.78. Let me see something real quick. I knew it. I knew it. How much am I getting it? Wait, are they saying that I'm gonna have to pay for this? No, I'm not gonna pay $18. How much do I get it for? No, the item costs what? Source eBay. Maybe that's if I wanna buy it on eBay. There ain't no way, this shit don't look. Hold on. This don't look like hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. This don't look like this stuff. Hold on. Maybe we looking at the wrong products. There's some crap. 18 business days? This ain't even, no. Wait, no. No, I want this price. This say $8.51. No, I want the $8.51. Okay, 12 business days from Hair Wrong Official Store. What the hell is this? Total inventory across all locations, 10? chill out. This is going to work. We just got to find products we can make money with. Okay? All right. So let's go to pets for right now. Pets, it can't be that expensive, bro. It cannot be that expensive. All right. Now, what do we want to make sure? We want to make sure we can get these products to the customers before at least 5 business days. Is that fair? Right? 5 business days, y'all think? Yeah. All right. This is 1 business day, bruh. So we good. I think what my problem that I'm not understanding is all of this shit was not told to me before I joined this. Before I signed up for death row, this was not a part of the agreement. This is not transparent. I don't know if I buy this doggy bed, what I'm actually getting. Buy for $26.38. Sell for $3.20. Bruh. All right. Yeah. All right. Watch this. Look. Profit margin calculator, okay? This shit is, bro. Y'all, if y'all don't think this is a scam, you're out of pocket like a pistol in a robbery. $26.38, right? It's going to be the cost. $26.38, okay? We're going to be selling it for $32.94, which is really tight. $32.94. Okay, that's $6.56. Okay, all these people don't show this, bruh. They don't show this. Before I started this video, I thought I was about to have I thought I was about to be wrong. Look at this guy right here. I thought I was about to be wrong, bro. Where is the money? All right, but maybe we looking at the wrong product, because why does it say variation? Okay, variations 1 available, I'd assume. And then it's saying, wait. Is this buying products from other people for us? How do I sell my products through AutoDS? Wait, I think I gotta, wait. No way. They're double dipping. Free to be a supplier. We don't ask for setup fees. Just list your product for our drop shippers to sell. Easy setup. You sell your products on multiple global e-commerce platforms. What this is you have 2 sides of this business model. Number 1, you have the consumer, which is people like you and me, the reseller, right? The person that is sold the dream. The person that is sold the dream creates the Shopify store. They buy products that are already for sale. You essentially, as the back-end supplier, which is just a regular person. These are not overseas suppliers. I should have started a drop shipping company. What the hell? You can just apply to sell products free. They get paid. AutoDS gets paid monthly. They get paid from the subscriptions. The suppliers, which I could be a supplier for AutoDS, I'll get paid per order. I'm still making my bread that I want from the rip. Meanwhile, we're all eating from the person that is paying the monthly price to AutoDS. They're paying me for my product. It's a win-win for us, but a lose for the person, because the person can't even compete. They told me originally that these were from China. If you go to AutoDS.com, go all the way down to winning products at your fingertips. Go to product sourcing. It says source safely from China by shipping your products through AutoDS warehouse. I sign up. Once I signed up and found the bed, I go to, where is it at? I go to our back office, the products. I see that I'm buying it for $26.38. I'm selling it for $32.94. That means I'm making $5.58 profit. Then I look over here. And it's saying I can sell this on my Shopify store if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I can sell this on my Shopify store, but I'm buying it from this person. This person right here is literally getting $26.38, which is higher than every single bed that is listed the same exact way on Amazon. Oh, not higher, because, well, these are different. Look, $26.38, $26.38. $22.99, $25.25, $19.99, $19.99, $26.38. This is the same thing from different suppliers because it's free to buy it, well, to sell products on AutoDS. So essentially all AutoDS is technically, what's up, always faded, is technically you are literally at the top, let's say, right? A reseller like me comes to AutoDS and says, hey, all I did, guys, I typed in all I did was, how do I sell products on AutoDS, right? Become a supplier is the first thing that came up. I can be anybody. I can be anybody. Become a supplier. It doesn't even allow you unless you put in an email, right? Hustling drops.com. If I can get on it, if I can get in on this, I'm getting in on it. I don't know about y'all, but if I can finesse. To be a reseller with this company, I don't need any credentials. If you go into any wholesale warehouse right now, you need a reseller's permit and EIN. Here you don't. You don't need that. But again, I want to emphasize why I keep saying this is a scam, okay? Because when I go here, where is it at? When I went to AutoDS, hold on, y'all, let me go back. I just went AutoDS, right? When I go here and then I click here, it says that my products are coming from China, right? Go here, product sourcing. Source safely from China by shipping your products through AutoDS warehouse. They're lying. The products aren't coming from their warehouse. The products are coming from regular people. All you gotta do is create an eBay account, create an Amazon account, sign up for AutoDS, become a supplier. People that brought in or buy into this dropshipping bullshit, sign up. The AutoDS people get paid monthly prices, so they win, because the AutoDS people, they make you pay a monthly fee for this. They make you pay, what was it, guys? $29, $39, and they use influencers like this to funnel customers into believing it. Interesting. Cool. All right, so we found out that it's a scam.